Okay, we're gonna come up here. I want to show you an ant devouring a baby worm nest. Look at this. Look at that. Look how both, already 2 are biting on it. 3, 4, 2. They're eating on him. He's a good, nice source of food. So they'll get a nice meal tonight. There's also a baby snail in two. Oh my God, it's a baby snail. It's a baby snail, but don't take him out. Yes. Oh my gosh, that's the mother load. I didn't think if I moved the stick it would. Okay, cover it back up. This might be the mother ant. We have to get a picture of her. Okay, we're gonna try to show you the queen. I just saw him. Who? Shoot the queen. Come on, take a snapshot of the. Look at all those eggs. And look at that baby worm. Another baby worm just got eaten. Now we're gonna scoot this worm into the real action. Watch this. 3 are on him. More. I feel bad. For what? Poor baby worm, barely got a chance to live. It made ants survive. Alright, look at all these piles of eggs. All of them piled up. It's already dead. It's too late. Nope, it's not dead. No, it is dead. Snail. Look. It's stuffed with eggs. Oh, that's a new one. There is a snail stuffed with eggs. Pretty cool. Yeah. Alrighty. I think it's done. Yeah, I think we should. That's it for today. Let's put this home back to the way it was. Now we're gonna set up the next video of. We won't tell you. Spoiler. Bye.